In this Wix website builder tutorial, let's take a look at how to show the layers panel. There's two different ways you can do this. In the upper right hand corner, you're going to find tools, and inside of tools, we have layers. So you could check mark this to see the layers panel. Now the other spot is down here in the lower left hand corner. You can click layers and that will show the same panel. Inside the layers panel, you have all the different sections here of your page. So the header, the page content, and then the footer. And you can drop those down to see what's inside of each of those. So you've got a strip here and then columns inside the strip and then all the way down to the actual text. And we click on an element and it actually shows and selects that element out on our page. So you can actually move layers up and down, which essentially puts objects in front of or behind each other. And that's kind of what the layers panel is mainly for. It's to see that things are in front of or behind each other. And so you can look at all the elements on your page. Everything exists here in the layers panel as you just toggle all of these different areas down, and you can find each text block, image block, and many more things here on Wix.